Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locating the remote and the TV's main menu. The quickest path is the CC or subbed button on the remote. Press it once to toggle captions off. This works because many sets map CC to a direct flag. If nothing changes, go into settings immediately because captions are often nested under accessibility or audio. Make sure the TV is on an input with active captions, otherwise you'll change wrong source. Once done, proceed to the deeper menu steps if captions persist. Now dive into the settings menu to find the caption toggle. You're looking under accessibility, audio, or picture submenus depending on the brand. Select closed captions or subtitles, then change the status to off. This removes caption rendering at the system level. If captions come from a streaming app, you must turn subtitles off inside that app's player. System settings won't override in-app captions. Make sure to save or exit to apply changes. Most TVs apply instantly, but some require finish by testing multiple inputs and apps to confirm captions are gone everywhere. This verifies you change the right control. If captions persist, power cycle the TV, unplug 15 seconds, because temporary software glitches can lock caption state. Make sure firmware is up to date. Outdated software sometimes ignores toggles. If nothing fixes it, perform a settings reset but backup preferences first, because reset returns all menus to defaults. Troubleshooting tip: if captions return, check connected devices for their own subtitle settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.